If your wings are not crispy like this, you're missing one simple step. Watch this and stay with me till the end. We all know how to make wings, but today we're settling a debate. I'm making the crispiest wings in the smoker ever, using lumberjack pellets and two iconic sauces from Maritime Madness. One of them will be habanero sauce and Bolton Smoky. We all know the biggest issue with Traeger wings is rubber skin. Today, I'm using the double smoke method to solve that. But we also doing a taste test to see if pure heat beats complex flavor. Let's go to work. So to get that fried texture without the oil, step one is moisture removal. Pat them bone dry. Step number two is the baking powder. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking powder to our rub. And this is not negotiable, guys. So today we're gonna be using the mighty mesquite rub from Maritime Madness, straight from PEI Canada. 6 to 7 tablespoons of our rub, together with 1 tablespoon of our baking powder.
It changes the pH of the skin, breaking down peptide bonds so they bubble and crisp up. Coat them thoroughly. Rack them and fridge them for 30 minutes, if you can. This dries out the skin even further.
Now it's time to put these beautiful wings in our fridge for an hour and a half if you have time. First, the foundation. You cannot have a good wing without good smoke. That's why I'm using Lumberjack Competition Blend today. So stop using dusty pellets today and check the link below to find a Lumberjack dealer near you. We will set our smoker to 225 degrees with the super smoke setting.
We are letting this ride for 45 minutes. We aren't trying to crisp them yet. We are just inviting that lumberjack smoke to the party.
So while they smoke, let's build our capsaicin killer dip. The math is simple. Dairy plus fat plus sweetness equal relief.
Mix half a cup of Greek yogurt, a quarter cup of mayo, and the secret, 3 tablespoons of honey. The sugar and dairy fat bind to the capsaicin oils. Add lemon, garlic, and dill to brighten it up. Done. Put this in the fridge. You're gonna need it.
All right, 45 minutes in, these wings are coming off the smoker to rest for 20 to 25 minutes. This pause is key. It lets the skin tighten up while we crank the heat. When they go back on, that's where the magic happens and the crisp really starts to build. All right, it's time to crisp. Crank the Traeger up to 425 degrees and let's finish these wings hot and fast.
Put the wings back on for 15 to 20 minutes. This thermal shock is what blisters the skin. Look at that color.
Now we are cooking hot. Wings back in the smoker at high heat. Let's flip them over so both sides get that direct heat and crispy skin. Once they heat around 200 degrees, you know they're done. These wings looked amazing. Let's mix them up now with the powerful duo to prove what's best, hot or sweet and smoky. Powered by Maritime Madness from PEI Canada. Hit my affiliate link in the description so you can get 10% off your entire order. Please try the rub and sausages, they're great. Today we're gonna be using the habanero sauce and the other one will be the Bolton Smoky sauce.
You need to try this combo. Click the link below to buy directly from Maritime Madness.
And they are crispy.
Do you prefer heat or sweet? Let me know below.
Same wings, 2 finishes. Big difference. It's up to you guys to choose, hot or sweet and smoky. Okay, let's start with the first one, the habanero sauce. Woo. Oh yeah, that habanero kicks you right away. It wakes you up. It's time to test our science dip. That's called refreshing. That's pretty good. And just like that, that fire is gone. That yogurt neutralizes that hot sauce. Let's do a crisp test on this one. Very good. Now, the Bolton Smoky. Oh man, You don't need a cooling for this. This is so sweet, smoky, and refreshing. Thanks for watching, and if you want to get more delicious recipes like today's, hit my subscribe button, hit like, and hit that bell so you can get notified when a new video comes up. See you in the next one.